What's up logical people, this is Amar. A hospital has 16 isolation rooms. Each room has a patient with different illness. Patient in room 13 recovers and wants to say goodbye to each patient. He can visit each patient exactly once. If he visits a patient more than once, he becomes ill again. So how does he do this and exit safely from room 4? Pause the video and think logically. Most of the people tend to traverse the rooms with these conditions. Start traversing from room 13, visit each room exactly once, and finally exit from room 4. And it's an impossible traversal for exit, because you'd either miss at least one room or you will end up in a room other than the exit room. I'll explain why this traversal is impossible, but before that, I'll show how the patient will exit safely while meeting all the conditions. If you read the puzzle statement carefully, the recovered person should not visit a patient more than once. The condition of the single visit is applicable for the patients and not for the rooms. That means he can visit room 13 multiple times during the traversal because there is no patient in room 13. He starts from room 13, goes to an adjacent room, either 9 or 14, visits the patient, and comes back to room 13. Because in room 13 there is no patient here to cause any illness. He continues visiting the patients in this way. Finally, he reaches to the room 4. As he has visited each patient exactly once, he can safely exit from room 4. So this was the solution to the puzzle. Now let's see why it was an impossible traversal if the condition is to visit each room exactly once instead of each patient exactly once. Let's consider only 4 rooms arranged in a 2x2 grid, and we have to start with bottom left room 1 and exit from its diagonally opposite room, which is room 4. In this case as well, we either miss one room or end up in a room other than the exit room. So this case is not possible. But if we have a grid of 3x2, then it's possible to visit each room once and exit from diagonally opposite room. With 4x2 grid, it's not possible. 3x3, possible. 4x3, possible. And 4x4, not possible. You can also try grids with larger size. What we observe here is that if a grid dimensions are even number by even number, such as 2x2, 2x4 or 4x4, it's not possible to traverse from one corner to its diagonally opposite corner while visiting each room once. And for all other cases of parities, it's possible. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and share the video, and if you are new, please subscribe to my channel and stay updated with a new logic every week. Till then, give a try to these puzzles. Also check out coin based problems on my channel Logically Yours.